SBET stock analysis and SBET stock prediction. In this short minute video, I'm going to break down my exact play and everything, and as the only guy in the space that's actually done 42,000 videos and documented them all. It's taken me 5 years. I have seen what's making me money and what's not. Sharplink Gaming, it's actually a very decent bearish market. You know, it's kind of filling in the gap and whatnot. This is how my chart's looking like. I know, I mean, 50% up after a 70, almost 80% correction. Is that fair? Well, yeah, that is gonna happen. It's like, it's not like something new, but ultimately speaking, man, you can see, well, whilst it was pumping, I called out this exact moment here, and here's the proof.
Stock analysis.
And if you've been watching my videos, you're just nodding your head. This 2 weeks ago when it was made. It's decent delivery, and all I can say is that I'm not gonna look to take it up and be bullish unless there's a big catalyst or some breaks above at least 37 bucks. It's all noise. That's what I would like to call it, noise. So if you don't want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.